Hi, and welcome. We want to take a moment to explain how walkthrough inspections work, when they happen, and what you can expect during your lease. As part of our property management process, we perform routine walkthrough inspections at the homes we manage. These inspections are not meant to be intrusive, and they are not intended to make anyone uncomfortable. They are simply a normal part of making sure the property is being properly maintained and that any needed repairs or concerns are identified early. We understand that some residents may have rented homes in the past where walkthrough inspections were not performed regularly or where another company handled things differently. Every company has its own process. For the homes we manage, routine walkthrough inspections are part of how we fulfill our responsibility to the property owner and help protect the condition of the home. These inspections are also addressed under Florida Statute 83.53, which covers a landlord's access to the home for purposes such as inspecting the premises when proper notice is provided. Our goal is not to disrupt your home or make you uncomfortable. Our goal is to properly care for the property, document its condition, and help identify concerns before they become larger issues. The first inspection is completed before you take occupancy of the home. This allows us to document the condition of the property before your lease begins. The move-in inspection report is shared with you so you have a clear record of the home's condition at the beginning of your tenancy. For residents who are moving into a newly leased home, we typically complete the first routine walkthrough inspection within the first 3 to 4 months of the lease. After that, routine walkthrough inspections are generally completed about every 6 months. We also typically complete a walkthrough inspection approximately 3 to 4 months before the end of the lease term. This inspection helps us review the condition of the property and determine lease renewal options. If we are taking over management of a property where a resident is already living in the home, we will schedule a walkthrough shortly after the management transition begins. This allows us to document the condition of the property at the time we take over management and create a clear baseline for our records, the owner's records, and future inspections. Before any inspection is performed, you will receive proper notice with the scheduled date and time window. We do not simply show up without notifying you. During the walkthrough, our inspector will review the general condition of the property. As part of the inspection, we will take photos of the home. These photos may include rooms, appliances, plumbing fixtures, air conditioning filters, exterior areas, landscaping, or any areas that need to be documented. We understand that this is your home during your lease and your privacy is very important to us. The photos taken during walkthrough inspections are not used for advertising, marketing, social media, or any other public purpose. They are used only for internal review, property documentation, and to allow the property owner to see the current condition of their property. While personal belongings may naturally appear in general room photos, we are not there to photograph your personal items. Our focus is the condition of the property itself. The inspector will look for things like visible leaks, signs of moisture, damage, safety concerns, maintenance issues, unauthorized alterations, or any conditions that may need attention. All areas of the home must be accessible during the inspection. This includes bedrooms, bathrooms, closets, garages, patios, utility areas, electrical panels, water heaters, air conditioning equipment, plumbing fixtures, appliances, and any other areas that are part of the property. Please make sure access is not blocked by furniture, storage, locked interior doors, pets, or other personal items. If you have pets, please make sure they are safely secured during the inspection so our inspector can access all required areas and complete the walkthrough properly. You are welcome to be home during the inspection, but you are not required to be present as long as we have proper access to the property. Our inspector is there to document the condition of the property and note any visible defects or concerns. Please keep in mind that the inspector cannot approve repairs, promise that work will be completed, or authorize upgrades or modifications during the walkthrough. If you bring up a concern during the inspection, the inspector can include it in the report. Our office will then review the item and, when needed, consult with the property owner before any repairs, upgrades, or modifications can be approved or scheduled. That said, safety and liability issues are treated differently. If something is identified that creates an immediate safety concern, liability concern, or urgent property issue, our office will work to address it as quickly as possible. Once the inspection is completed, the report is uploaded and kept as part of the property records. When needed, it may also be shared with the property owner for review. Walkthrough inspections are a routine part of renting a professionally managed home. They help protect the property, catch repairs early, and keep clear records for everyone involved. We appreciate your cooperation and your help in taking care of the home during your tenancy.